Hey guys, I have been kind of quiet vlogging lately, and sad to announce that there won't be any more car vlogging because my car is dead. I just found out in the last few hours, and I'm not handling it well. And I know it's stupid because it's just a car, but it really sucks. Like, I love that car, but the engine has gone bad. So I have been feeling better and been able to work my full shift at work. But today, and I've been back weeks, and I've been working the full time and not missing. And I've been fairly good. But just this on top of everything else that I usually worry about, I just couldn't handle today. So I left work early, and now I have to work on my day off. More hours than planned. I was already working 3 hours on Saturday because I have my first psychiatrist appointment tomorrow, and I had to trade time to be able to go to my appointment. And now I have to work 4 hours and 15 minutes on Saturday, which isn't the most terrible thing, but at the same time sucks. I hate doing exchange time because then I feel like I don't really have time off, and it wears me down quicker. So, and I've already been working late on several days because I had my my therapist appointment on Tuesday, so I had to work an hour late that day and a half hour late the following day to cover the time I had to take to go to my appointment. So that's been life. Never-ending fight with my doctor's office to get my medications filled, and the good news is I'm able to do my job again without having a panic attack as soon as I pull into the parking lot or even think about my job. I'm on a Monday through Friday schedule for the first time in probably 7 years. And I'm on a day shift for the first time in at least 6 years. I'm not even sure. They all run together. So some things are really good, but this just hit me pretty hard. And I'm learning to accept that and go ahead and let those tears out so that I don't hold this in and I don't let it eat away at me. Thanks for checking out my vlog and what's going on with me. I'll see you next video.